wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best diabetic cookbooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Buying the cookbook for dummies doesn't mean you're stupid. It just means that you'd like simple, easy-to-digest guidance on how to manage your health and lifestyle. This includes recipes as well as advice on eating out, food shopping, and more. It's written to be entertaining and addresses teaching kids to eat well. However, the ingredients suggested are somewhat expensive. At number 9, while Dr. Neal Barnard's Reversing Diabetes makes some pretty bold claims that some may not believe, the science is there to back him up. It contains an abundance of plant-based recipes that are nutritious and tasty and appropriate for vegetarians. It's written by a doctor and a professor and includes plenty of appealing photos, but it's not ideal for determined meat eaters. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For those who've been recently diagnosed, the Type 2 Action Plan gives not only guidance about cooking, but also practical advice for learning to live with this daunting disease. Although it's loaded with information, it's neither overwhelming nor trivial. It's penned by a registered dietitian and focuses on health management. It's easy to understand and use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Diabetic Cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, based on the best-selling non-fiction book of the same name, Sugar Busters can help you cut carbs and starches from your diet, including refined sugars, potatoes, and white rice. It's there for you all year round, thanks to included meals for holidays and family dinners. It's written with the input from doctors, but many of the options are high in fat, and the recipes seem bland to some. Moving up our list to number 6. A Type 2 diagnosis doesn't mean that your favorite fare is out of reach, at least not if you have Robin Webb's The Perfect Comfort Food Collection. Wrap yourself in the warm hug of lasagna or meatloaf, then try the given variations for further flavor. It makes a unique gift and teaches you how to customize recipes. However, it could use more photos. Halfway up our list at number 5. Fans of Top Chef might recognize Sam Talbot, whose The Sweet Life furnishes plenty of foodie wisdom the author has garnered from many years of being not only a chef, but also a diabetic. Highly entertaining, the work has 75 recipes you can try. It includes fresh and flavorful options, and may be helpful with weight loss, but it requires a lot of non-standard ingredients. At number 4, paradoxically, you can get out of the kitchen faster with Diabetic Living's Slow Cooker. It's designed to help you save some cash too, thanks to a Cook Once, Eat Thrice chapter that shows you how to whip up useful foods that can be used in 3 different ways. It's a good choice for potlucks and includes effort-saving tricks. However, it relies heavily on tomato bases. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you don't have a lot of time on your hands and are just looking for simplicity, then try Quick and Delicious Recipes Using Just 4 Ingredients or Less by Nancy Hughes. As you'd guess from the title, it teaches you to make satisfying meals that require minimal work. It contains over 175 recipes and could help save you money. It's good for beginning cooks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Diabetic Cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, satisfy your sweet tooth with Marlene Koch's sensational Splenda recipes, which offers 375 low-sugar foods, from decadent hot chocolate to not-so-sinful New York cheesecake. But it's not all desserts, since there are also recipes for everything from appetizers to entrees. It includes healthy eating tips throughout and Weight Watcher point comparisons. It uses all forms of Splenda. And taking the top spot on our list. With Meals by the Plate, you'll be treated to plenty of beautifully styled photos that show you how to portion each meal perfectly, allowing you to craft well-balanced, healthful plates. It also includes recipes for sides and desserts. It comes from a well-known lifestyle magazine and makes meal planning simple. It includes meatless choices too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Diabetic Cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video.